Following that story for us. Ati, good afternoon to you. I'm hoping you can hear me. You're on camera at the moment. First of all, let's start with what is happening outside the court. I've been hearing crowds gathering behind you, and I'm also counting a clutch of police. I'm assuming there's a fairly strong security contingent this afternoon.
We are outside the Port Elizabeth High Court, where two groups supporting, the one supporting Timothy Omotoso, who's currently standing trial for allegedly raping and human trafficking young women from his church. And I'm going to ask my colleague to pen and show you that group that is here. Now, they have been here throughout the duration of this trial. They still have their Timothy Omotoso cards that they've been bringing when they come out to court. We know that the church, Jesus Dominion International Church, has issued a statement just basically outlining their view on the trial. And all they said in the statement, Jeremy, is that they support their pastor and that they just want justice to take its course. And of course, there are some of those Timothy Omotoso supporters who are donning ANC regalia, something that the minister, Batabile Dlamini, when she was here, spoke about. They did try to speak to some of the people that have been seen wearing ANC regalia, and some of them we were told that they are not ANC members. However, we're seeing more and more ANC regalia being worn by Timothy Omotoso supporters. Now, on the other hand, you have the people that are out here supporting the various victims, and in fact, the Deputy Minister of Police, Bongani Mkongi, just arrived here in Port Elizabeth, saying that he's out here to support the victims who are currently involved in this case. So here you have members of the Democratic Alliance, the EFF, various NGOs, the ANC supporting the victims here in this trial. Now, the court case will be starting at 2 o'clock, Jeremy. So you have the defense who then asked for a postponement until today because Judge Makaula obviously dismissed the application to recuse himself. Now, Doberman went further as to seeking senior counsel with regards to Judge Makaula's dismissal of his application to recuse himself. Now, if that is then appealed, the Law Society of South Africa said to us, then this would obviously mean further delays to the case. Now, let me bring in the NPA. They told us of a meeting that was currently sitting between the defense, the prosecutor, and the judge. Tell us a little bit about that meeting. What do you know about that meeting?
Well, just an update, Ati. We know for a fact that the prosecutors and the judges and all the other stakeholders were inside having a meeting. But it has been finished now, but we're just waiting for the time to go inside the court and hear what has to be said. As you can see here, we've got a lot of crowds that are divided, who are also chanting for those that they are against and those they are favoring for. But we believe that at the end, we will be inside and hear what is happening. That's basically it that is happening at the moment.
Now, we are seeing Advocate Terry Price. Is he involved? Is he now going to take over from Peter Doberman?
Well, I have a feeling that he is going to be part of it because I saw him inside and I got the feeling that he's the man that we are going to be against today. But look, I cannot confirm that yet because we are not inside. But as soon as we are there, then my suspicion will be confirmed and other people's suspicions. But let's go in there and hear who's going to do it.
Thank you very much. Tsepo from the original National Prosecuting Authority here in the Eastern Cape. Now, at this stage, as he's saying, it is not yet confirmed whether Advocate Peter Price will be taking over from Doberman. Now, as you may know, that statement that was released by the General Counsel Bar of South Africa indicated that Peter Doberman is not an advocate and is not a member of the bar. He is a lawyer. So we don't know whether the presence of Terry Price in this trial will mean that he will be taking over. So we'll leave it here for now, Jeremy. Back to you in studio.
All right, Ati Mtongana in Port Elizabeth, thank you very much.